Leonardo AI has one of the best AI image and video generators out on the market. So you can create amazing video clips just with a single prompt. And we're going to show you how to do it. So once you're on Leonardo AI's website and you have an account, whether it's the free plan or the paid plan, launch app in the top right hand corner, and then you want to go ahead and select the video option in under AI tools. So I currently don't have enough credits to create a video, but you want to do something like this. Just enter in a simple prompt, such as a cat dancing on the grass, and then it's going to generate that video. But we can actually see what the community has actually created. So if we head over to the community creations, and then we select a video, and then wait for it to load, we can see that a lot of people have made a lot of cool stuff. So for example, this person has a tiny magical coffee cup placed on a human fingertip designed entirely from a glowing heart-shaped fish. And this is pretty amazing. Even the details from the fingertip is insanely detailed. So this is great for people looking to add some more footage for their videos, or they just want to experiment. Leonardo AI has one of the best video generators out there. In order to get the best results, as we can see from the ones in the community, you want it very detailed. Add as much detail into the prompt as you can, and you're going to get some pretty nice results.